Hey there, Refinish Network family. It's been too long since we last dived into the world of color and gloss together, and I'm thrilled to be back. Today, we're bringing a fresh shade of blue to life on this beauty right here. And when I say fresh, I'm actually painting over somewhat fresh paint because this is a respray due to some damage during assembly. So we'll be painting over this panel with the exact same color. That means I don't need to worry about color match, and blending should be much easier. This repair has a particular shade of primer which is recommended for the coverage on this color. We're going to wipe down the panel with a tack rag and then begin applying our paint, just trying to cover the primer. Now we are working with a water-based base coat today, so it's all about blend and bond, but patience is key. We've got to let each layer breathe, letting the water evaporate before we go in for another coat. So to speed up the process, we're going to bring in some assistance, this handheld dryer that attaches right to the airline, whisking away the moisture and getting us back to the spraying faster. Even though this color is exact, you can still mess up a blend, but it's more of a problem on silvers that really reflect a light halo at the edge of your spray. We are going to repeat this process until we have achieved full coverage, and we're going to apply both the paint wet and control our spray so it doesn't go down too far on the panel towards the door. On this color, we're going to require 2 coats to achieve coverage, and then it's going to be followed by an effect coat. The effect coat goes on a little bit drier and from a greater distance. It creates a more uniform look and shifts the color into a more predictable position for a better match. Whenever I can, I will turn the booth lights off and use a daylight balanced LED light to check for coverage. This is the best way to ensure that your paint is completely covered before applying clear coat. Today we'll be applying our clear coat with a Sata 5500 RP with an eye pattern. They are a terrific clear gun and the newest one in my collection. We'll be using a medium speed of clear coat, and since we'll be doing a small clear coat blend around the wheel arch, we'll start to taper our first coat off there. Our second coat will go on about 5 minutes after the first, or once it begins to start to gel or get sticky. We'll do the same thing here in our clear coat blend area, but extend it slightly. And finally, we'll use a clear coat blender to melt away the dry spray and create a smooth transition in the clear blend. We'll put this one in the oven for about 30 minutes and then on to the next one. So thanks as always for watching, and we will see you real soon.